Hey guys, have you heard of web development, web design, web programming? Guess what? You are in luck. This video could be the best 5 minutes of your day today. So watch this video to the end and thank me later. Lesson 2. Structure of a website. I always liken a website to the human head, whereby it has two distinctive parts, the face and the brain. So the website can be said to be divided into two broad parts, the front end and the back end. So what is the front end and what is the back end? The front end is the visible parts of the website that users interact with. It includes design elements like colors, fonts, images, and layouts. Technologies such as HTML, hypertext markup language, cascading style sheets, and JavaScript are used for creating the front end. These three technologies I mentioned, the first, HTML, I used to tell my students that HTML is a language that we use to create the structure, the skeleton of the website, so to say the bone that gives it structure. Now, CSS can be said to be the skin, the styling, polishing of a website. Then JavaScript can be said to be what gives it functionality, the sense behind everything. So these are technologies used in creating the front end. The second broad and important aspect of a website is the back end. The behind the scenes processes that handles data storage, user authentication, and server responses. We can say that the back end is the brain of a website. It is where the website stores its information, where a website retrieves its data, where a website compiles its user experience and knowledge. For a website like Facebook, when you make a post, you interact with the front end, but then the pictures you upload are stored in the back end. Your interaction on the website, your clicks, your all the information of your activities on the website are stored on the back end, which consists of a database and the server's responses. The technologies involved in the back end are languages like PHP and APIs, MySQL, and so on and so forth. Another aspect of a website structure includes its file organization, typically using folders for CSS, JavaScript, images, and HTML files. Proper structuring ensures faster loading and easier maintenance. Apart from this, a website that has been structured properly also aids the search engine to better optimize the information in the website. For example, if your website contains a vital information and a researcher goes to Google, a search engine, and types out keywords that are related to the contents of your website, the search box of the search engine crawls through the web, and a well-structured website will make it easier for these crawl bots to check and extract the information from your website, thereby giving your website a better ranking on the Google homepage. So, a nice structuring of your website helps in SEO, search engine optimization. Thanks for watching this video. If you'd want to be part of our tech journey, then make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this.